Broadcasting from the shipbuilding capital of the Philippines, Palamban, Cebu. Broadcasting from the shipbuilding capital of the Philippines, Palamban, Cebu. This is 90.1 FM Radio 111 Cebu. Nindot kayo! Nindot kayo! Broadcasting worldwide. Broadcasting worldwide. This is 90.1 FM Radio 1 Cebu. 1 Cebu. Mas gipakuskan, mas gipatinaw, o numero 1 nga sibianan sa Western Cebu. 90.1 FM Radio 1 Cebu. Radio 1 Cebu 90.1 FM, your news, entertainment, public service, and music station. 90.1 FM Radio 1 Cebu. Nindot kayo. 90.1 FM Radio 1 Cebu. Nindot kayo.